Silent habits that slowly push your cat away and how to fix them. Cats don't slam doors, they don't yell when they're hurt, and they definitely don't hold grudges the way humans do. But cats do something far more subtle. They pull back, they go quiet, they stop choosing you. If your cat feels a little more distant lately, it might not be random. It might be caused by small, everyday habits that seem harmless to us, but slowly erode a cat's sense of safety and trust. Let's talk about the quiet mistakes that don't look like cruelty, yet deeply affect how your cat feels around you. First, misunderstanding independence. Yes, cats are independent, but independence does not mean emotional detachment. When a cat chooses to sit near you, follow you from room to room, or sleep on your clothes, that's connection. Consistently brushing off these moments teaches your cat that closeness is one-sided. Over time, they stop offering it. Second, controlling interactions. Many people decide when affection happens. They pick the cat up, they pet longer than the cat wants, they ignore subtle signals to stop. Cats communicate discomfort quietly, a stiff tail, flattened ears, a slow head turn away. Ignoring these signals doesn't just annoy them, it tells them their boundaries don't matter. Third, unpredictable reactions. One day you laugh at a behavior, the next day you scold it. From a cat's perspective, this creates emotional instability. Cats thrive on predictability. When reactions change randomly, they become cautious instead of relaxed around you. Fourth, emotional absence without realizing it. A busy schedule doesn't make you a bad guardian, but emotional presence matters. Cats notice tone, they notice eye contact, they notice when interactions become rushed and mechanical. Even short, calm moments of focused attention mean more than hours of passive coexistence. Fifth, play without purpose. Play is not entertainment for cats, it's emotional regulation, it's confidence building, it's stress release. When play ends without resolution or stops entirely, cats can become frustrated or withdrawn. A satisfied hunt, even a short one, does wonders for emotional balance. Sixth, constant environmental changes. New smells, new furniture, new routines, new sleeping spots. Each change may seem minor to us, but to a cat, their environment is their emotional anchor. Too much disruption can quietly increase anxiety, even if no obvious behavioral issues appear. Seventh, dismissing communication attempts. A head bump, a soft meow, a slow blink, these are not random actions, they are invitations. Repeatedly ignoring them can feel like emotional rejection from the cat's point of view. Eventually, they stop asking. Eighth, using force instead of cooperation. For grooming, for medication, for moving them, when force becomes the default, trust slowly weakens. Cats remember how interactions feel, not just how they end. Ninth, expecting forgiveness without repair. Cats don't need apologies, they need consistency afterward. If something scared or hurt them, rebuilding trust takes calm repetition, not affection overload. And finally, underestimating emotional memory. Cats don't live in the past, but they learn patterns quickly. If being close to you often leads to discomfort, they adapt by keeping distance, not out of spite, but out of self-protection. The good news? Cats are incredibly responsive to change. When boundaries are respected, routines stabilize, and interactions become predictable and gentle, many cats naturally reconnect. Trust, for a cat, is not built through intensity. It's built through safety, through consistency, through being emotionally readable. If your cat still chooses to be near you, that's not accidental. That's trust still alive. And if they've pulled away, it doesn't mean it's gone forever. It simply means they're waiting for things to feel safe again. Because for a cat, love isn't loud. It's comfortable silence shared with someone who understands. Before you go, take a moment to look at your cat, not as a pet, but as a small soul who chooses you every single day. If this video helped you understand your cat a little better, that means we're doing something right here, because at Cats KnowHow, we believe real love starts with understanding. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like to support the channel. Subscribe if you want to keep learning how cats think, feel, and connect. And don't forget to share your story in the comments. Your cat might be teaching you something special right now. Until next time, be patient, be gentle, and let your cat come to you. See you in the next video.